Submitting and verifying your site with Google. You want to submit your site to Google so that it indexes your site and visitors can find it when searching the web. This is a huge SEO benefit to you, and so you want to make sure that you step through this video and set this up for yourself. A couple of key things to do first. You need to make sure your site is published. If you haven't currently published your site, go and check that video out. Make sure there's no site-wide passwords or page passwords on your homepage. And if you've recently connected your domain from a third-party site, you're going to need to wait 72 hours before connecting your site with Google Search Console. Right, let's dive in. First up, you need to go to accounts.google.com and either sign in to an existing Google account or set up a new Google account where you'll get a Gmail address and the full Google suite. Next, you want to come to Google Search Console. You'll be asked to sign into the account that you just set up. Select the menu, search property, add property, and you'll be asked to enter your domain. Add your domain, remove any prefix or protocols at the beginning, the www. also, and any backslashes at the end. Click continue. It'll start to try and verify the domain. You can see here that it's recognized that my domain provider is with GoDaddy, so I can just start the verification process. If it doesn't recognize yours, click here and any DNS provider, and it'll show you the instructions to add a new text record to your domain provider. So you'll need to log into your domain provider, go to your DNS settings and configure them for your domain, create a new text record, and then copy this record here, and then you can come back and verify once that's done. But since mine has already recognized it, I can go ahead and just start the verification process straight away. It's asked me to sign into my GoDaddy account, and then I can click here, connect, to authorize Google to enable the domain verification. Once done, always pop on back. It's saying it's taking a minute because I haven't actually connected it, but once it is connected, it will show that it is verified there, and it should only take a few moments. Once all of that is done, you can come here to search property again and see that it will be under the verified section. This one here isn't verified because I didn't click connect, but it should be sitting up there once it is, and that's another way that you can check. Next, you want to come to sitemaps. Make sure you have the right domain there. So if you don't, select it. Here, it's still checking for that verification, so it won't allow me. So we'll try this one, the brand method. I've already connected the sitemap, so you can see here it is connected and submitted. But what you want to do here is have your domain / and then enter in this here, sitemap.xml. Enter it there, submit, and then it will add that sitemap to Google, and it should appear like you're seeing here. And that's it. Google can find your site, it can index it properly, and it can start serving it up to more people.